Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be making cocoa balls. Stay tuned. Welcome back to our channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs. And I am Bucky. Sorry for the long absence. I'm back now. So I'm gonna start by roasting the cocoa beans. I'm sorry that I can't give you a footage where we were harvesting, so I'm just roasting it on medium heat. And look at, after a few minutes, this is how it looks. So you roast your cocoa beans just like you roast your groundnuts, or any other nuts. So this you just do it as I'm doing in the video until it's well roasted. Allow it to cool and then you peel off the skin. I think this is the part that I didn't really enjoy. So you just peel it off. I don't know if there's any other way that you can do it, but this is how we did it. I want to take this opportunity to just apologize. I haven't been around for a very long time. I had gone on vacation. There was just so much going on. You know, there are certain times when you just need to take a break, and that was that time of our lives that we had to take a break. So I am back and I want to not to disappoint you. So this is now time to do the grinding. So we've added some spices, I think cinnamon, some bay leaf, that's the one that is looking green, and some tonka bean, and now you grind it just as shown in the video. This is how it looks on the tray. You can see these little green things, brown things. This is all the spices. It just makes the cocoa to smell good and taste good. So now this is how it looks when it's ground. And guys, this is smelling so good. I'm not exaggerating. You know, sometimes we say all kinds of things on video, but I am just speaking the truth. So these are our last little bits. By the way, I'm doing this for the very first time, so I'm very excited. It's always exciting when you're doing something new. I have just been buying cocoa balls from the supermarket, but then today we are making it ourselves. So let's just scrape out every little bit from this tray and grind it. Now I understand why the cocoa balls are expensive, because there's so much to be done. I now understand. You know, sometimes you just complain and think these things are so expensive, but the work that is involved to create these lovely cocoa balls, they are worth it. The price is worth it. The grinding process continues, but we are almost done. So yes, now we're done. This is how it looks. Now it's time to make the balls. What we're going to do right now is scoop out a little bit using a spoon and put it in our hands and then make a little round ball. You can wear gloves if you're making it to sell or you're making it for people, but we're doing it for ourselves, so we don't have to wear gloves. And the size depends on how big you want them to be, and this is the size we want. That is, I'm using a tablespoon. This is the fun part, making of the cocoa balls. They smell so good, and you know, since there's cocoa in there, you know, it's not sticking to your hands, and you know, it just feels good. It just feels good, trust me. I don't know how best I can describe the feeling of making these balls. So after you finish, you arrange them well and you allow them to dry. So we want to make sure that ours fit on this tray we don't want to put it on another tray. So we're trying to make space right now for it to finish. And there you go, guys. These are our lovely cocoa balls. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks for subscribing. And if it's your first time on my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.